Welcome to our microlearning channel. When people start investing, the first thing they usually think about is making more money. The idea of growing your investments and seeing your portfolio increase over time is exciting. But maximizing investment returns isn't just about luck or picking random stocks. It's about using smart strategies and staying consistent over time. Today, I want to talk about a few key ideas that can help maximize your investment returns. The first thing to understand is the power of long-term investing. Many successful investors focus on staying in the market for years rather than trying to make quick profits. Over time, investments have the opportunity to grow through compound returns, where your earnings begin to generate their own earnings. This compounding effect can significantly increase the value of your portfolio. Another important strategy is diversification. Instead of putting all your money into a single investment, spreading your investments across different assets can reduce risk and improve stability. This might include stocks from different industries, bonds, or other financial assets. Diversification helps protect your portfolio if one sector experiences a downturn. Consistency also plays a huge role in maximizing returns. Regular investing, even in small amounts, can build wealth steadily over time. Many investors use strategies like dollar-cost averaging, where they invest a fixed amount at regular intervals. This approach helps reduce the impact of market volatility and keeps your investment plan disciplined. It's also important to focus on research and strategy rather than emotion. Financial markets can be unpredictable, and reacting emotionally to short-term fluctuations often leads to poor decisions. Successful investors typically rely on well-thought-out strategies and stick to them even when markets become uncertain. Reinvesting your earnings is another powerful way to boost returns. Instead of withdrawing dividends or profits, reinvesting them allows your investment to continue growing. Over time, this can significantly accelerate portfolio growth. Monitoring your investments is also important. While long-term thinking is key, it's still helpful to review your portfolio periodically to ensure it aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Adjustments may be needed as market conditions change or as your financial objectives evolve. At the end of the day, maximizing investment returns isn't about chasing the next big trend. It's about combining patience, smart planning, and disciplined investing. When you focus on long-term growth, diversify your portfolio, and stay consistent with your strategy, you give your investments the best possible chance to grow and succeed over time. Thanks for microlearning with our channel.